You didn't turn on your light on your phone, right? All right.
Yes?
Mm.
Somebody knock the door?
Mm.
So I'm hearing a duppy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And it's not too bright, right? Okay. Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we just have wings and nothing else.
Wings upon wings upon wings upon wing.
Okay.
And this was catered by me. Thank you. Yes, it's not an RFC, but just wings.
I am ready to dig in. I found a whole bunch of hot sauce. I have hot sauce and I have honey, and I'm ready to just eat wings. We just didn't feel like anything else except for wings today.
Yes, and it's not Miss Ching. It looks like it, right? This is Richie's RFC. You know what I'm saying?
Now, guys, listen. We're going to talk about our camera issue. We're actually filming on my phone. So the quality is very good, but it's a headache to get it set up because you can't really zoom. You can't, it's a lot of things you can't do with your phone that you can do with the camera as far as setting it up, zooming in, all that stuff. But I hope you guys can hear us good. And we're going to dig in. We're going to have to talk about the camera, why we couldn't use the camera. We're just going to chat like we normally do, okay?
But when we're using the phone to do something else, it worked perfectly fine. Yeah, tell them that. Work with no issues. All right, let's get it. What we got here? I got all type of sauce here today too. I got the
want to taste this
mango habanero hot sauce.
This is Born to Holla. What?
Jackie's hot sauce. I got.
But Jackie's hot sauce almost done.
Yeah, I'm sure everything from the Caribbean hot sauce. I got Grace hot sauce.
We have more hot sauce.
We got a lot of hot sauce. Crystal hot sauce. I got a beer woman over here, so.
But then you have we have some more hot sauce.
We got a lot.
Like with the ones in that Twin Green sent you.
Yeah, and this is one of them from Twin Green right here. We have a lot of hot sauce family.
So I'm gonna go right in. Why the wing just dropped?
Let me set up my thing. Could y'all see I want y'all to see my little mix up I'll be making.
I got honey.
Wait. Could y'all see?
And then
too far.
Tabasco.
Right, y'all can't see it, but I'm just gonna put it right here.
You can push some of the wings back.
I'm gonna put my thing up, you're coming on there.
See.
Family.
Them still not gonna see.
You can't see, right? Oh, they can see. Yeah, it's right there.
They can see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Family, listen. We got a lot of wings today, so listen to me. You better help us eat some of this wings today.
Because we're not gonna finish all of
this. This is just a presentation. We're not so creative, we know.
Tabasco sauce.
We're not so creative, so listen. We ain't gonna be eating all these wings today. How does it taste? I didn't taste it. One time I tasted it, and that was it. Alright, that's your problem, you know? Kids
I know how Richie is about his food.
The kids ain't complain, so I guess it's good.
It's good. It's delicious, actually.
It tastes good?
Very good.
Alright, good. So we do a wing day, you know? Put this at the seat. Then I'll see. I'll keep tipping it up. Alright, family. Let's see. It's the wing for me. I didn't hear you crunch or nothing. Okay. Not bad. Not bad for a beginner. You want that, kid?
Where'd you fry this, honey? In a deep fryer?
Tough it out on the stove.
Really?
Yeah.
Try this hot sauce.
I had to toughen it out on the stove, you know?
This one's called Born to Holla.
You alright?
That one is hot.
Okay, boy, Tyler. Let me see. Excuse me. Wow. That wing is dropped some of that. So.
You're gonna have to run.
It's pepper. Yeah, I run pepper.
And Chick-fil-A sauce?
Buns are hot for you, man.
Hot man. Like fire. That's a good flavor. I wish we had my auntie's husband's hot sauce. That hot sauce? Oh my god. So yeah, we're gonna talk about our camera. We're in the we have no choice to shop around for a new camera.
Yep. We're gonna work with it till it's. Oh, go ahead, talk.
No, go ahead, my love.
Go ahead,
Go ahead, baby.
It's not done, but it can't charge. So
the piece that you plug in, that's the part that's broken, so it can't charge it. We could have used it one more time, but we didn't want to risk it battery dying. Then we can't get no footage, so we just said
we gotta start where we started from, you know, with the phone.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're not too good to use the phone. Okay. The phone was sufficient for a long time.
Real good.
For a long time. So, like I said,
and then
and then we haven't used the phone in so long. You know, I forgot how to set it up. So that's probably why it took me so long. Once I start using it more. But like I said, we're looking for a camera now. So if you guys know of any good camera that's not too expensive.
Not too expensive, because we don't have we cheap and clean over here, you know?
But good quality.
Good quality. Let us know in the comment.
And I feel like the camera was starting to
fade away now.
Fade away, because to me, it wasn't showing as clear.
Like before.
Yeah. So it was time to go anyway.
So if y'all know any good cameras, again, let us know. Good price too, but you know.
Or also let us know what to look for in a good camera.
Yes. That's true. Let us know, family. How you know? You know we listen to y'all.
We sure do.
And right now, we need that. So let y'all know.
It looks so weird looking at ourselves. Not for you?
Nice.
The wings is so good. Sometimes you don't feel like a whole bunch of sides. You just want wings, fried chicken. You know, fried chicken and hot sauce go hand in hand.
I'm not a good wing fryer. But it's fry good.
You fry good. Your first time just frying all wings, usually you fry like breast, leg, whatever. You know what's easier to fry? Legs.
Yep. Legs are being quicker. Need some more hot sauce. What I do?
This is seasoned good.
Yeah?
Seasoned real good.
So yes. What? You want to lick it?
We're a hungry man. Last time I ate was early this morning, and I just had a half a bagel. Not even a whole bagel.
Want my napkin?
Yes, please. Okay, honey.
Wow.
This chicken is very good.
Oh,
honey.
sorry.
You get them some?
I'll get them some here.
We're not get them done.
Here, take a piece of that one. Take a piece. Here, take a piece. Yes. Give you a piece, sorry. We just eating over here.
Enjoying my food. Hot sauce. Oh my god. They need a sprout for that hot sauce. It comes out too much.
Hot sauce? How your day been going? Better than ours? Okay.
is good.
Thank you for telling us.
Good job.
Appreciate that. Mm-hmm. Yes, I know. You said it right. It's always going to be obstacles in your way. Yep. You hear them?
Mm-hmm.
True. You know what? Just keep pushing. Mm-hmm. Nice.
You guys see how Richie cheat in the game?
What?
Yesterday? All of them was towards me.
Mm-hmm.
You see that, right?
Mm-hmm.
You still recording, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All the questions that was directed to me.
Who you put it direct to? Somebody else?
Each other.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I ain't play the game, so you know my fucking phone.
No. You get questions
Mm-hmm.
that would be for me.
Mm-hmm.
That you know I will most likely do. And questions that will go towards you.
I got a question to go to.
Hell no.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Miss Gina said no.
Mm-hmm.
And the family member of them said Richie played the game wrong. We're going to do it again, but I'm going to get the questions.
Family.
Because Richie always trying to get me.
The question was on point. Because first you do get lost in the neighborhood. Yo, Tom.
Hot man.
That one I'm like, I meet a hot one, man.
Mm-hmm. So you come back with the same nonsense?
Mm-hmm. Damn, these chicken fried good, man.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Mm-hmm.
Man. Whew.
I went Chinese store. Don't fry chicken whole.
And then they charge you for one. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So, one time I ordered 8 wings.
Mm-hmm.
And they said $13.
Mm-hmm.
And it wasn't whole wings. So it was just 4 wings. And they charged us $13 for it. Because they cut it in half. Y'all wings aren't that good.
Make it yourself. Real talk. Man. How was your day?
Good. Oh, thank you, my love.
I was on fire with fried chicken good. That was my day, family. I was trying to fry the chicken good. You know what I'm saying?
You did a good job, though.
Yeah, on the wings. I don't like fried wings.
Because it doesn't lay flat. But it does, but...
It's not that.
What was more difficult?
It's not that. You can't just have the temperature up high like that. Because outside we get cooked quick. But
that's what any fried chicken
any fried chicken, but yeah, but
what was so difficult about the wings?
that was the name flat for real.
It was just laying flat?
Yeah.
And the hardest part is like underneath here.
Over here.
That's why
But it worked out, huh?
it sure good. It tastes good. But that's why most
Take my
people,
time.
when they fry chicken wings, they use a deep fryer.
Deep fry, see? And I don't have a deep fryer. Strictly fried pot.
We had one, but we threw it out.
Comment how I did. Give us the frying pot. Not even the air fryer, the frying pot. I like frying myself in the frying pot.
I feel like
You full?
I feel like you always be looking at the chicken when you're trying to find a certain one, but they all the same.
You know, I like the big wing on them.
I like green wings below.
We don't like the big chicken wing, their family. We like the small one.
Ooh, excuse me.
You.
Yeah, we don't like the big chicken. We like the small ones. So when we go to the store, we're in the meat department, and we're looking for the package that is the cheapest. Not because it's the cheapest, but because that means the wings are smaller.
Smaller. One smaller one.
You ever notice that? It's smaller.
Yep. Family. I went to Bravo. Right? Cause me, I just go where if it's food, I just buy it. So wait, I said hell no. So I went to Bravo. I said yeah, I'm gonna get some wings. Family. 5 wings in a packet, $13 and change. So I'm here digging through looking for a lower price. I said, I gotta call the boss right now. Pick it up and call the boss. I said, listen, these chicken wings expensive. You want wings and drumstick? Cause the drumstick was like about 7, 8 of them for like about $6.
Mm-hmm.
So I said, you want drumstick? She said, where you at? I said, Bravo. She said, oh, no. Come out of Bravo. Go to Walmart. Family, I went to Walmart. 12 wings for $10.
Mm-hmm.
I said, damn. I almost spent so much money just for 8 wings.
Mm-hmm. You gotta excuse Richie because he doesn't really go grocery shopping. And I don't take him with me because
I buy food from him.
Richie want to buy this to eat and that to eat.
Mm-hmm.
And he want to look at this and he slow me down and then he gets aggravated. Because he's like, how long we been in here now?
It take too long, my youth.
So to have a peace of mind, and so me and him, I don't get mad and tryst him. I just don't take him with me.
A woman take too long in stores, man. We go close and store her. I'll let you go walk around.
No.
Sometimes I walk around with her too, but sometimes she getting better at it though.
I'm getting better at it.
You know you should take her forever in the store.
What's your point? Don't rush the process.
Now, remember, but I like to be there and follow around.
Richie likes to come with me everywhere. We've been like that since we met.
You're like
that's not the problem. Don't want to come with me to Wally World or to a clothing store and then rush me. That makes sense to you? Because I tell him I have a lot of places to go today. Oh, it's okay. After the second spot, oh, I'm hungry. So then now we got to stop.
Gotta eat, family. You gotta eat. We on a long day road. I gotta eat.
After the second stop, now we gotta stop and get him something to eat.
So
then after he eats, I could go to one more store probably. When I really had like 5, 6 stores in mind.
Well.
Then he's like, oh, I'm sleepy. I'm tired.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
So.
She ain't lying. She ain't capping. Dead serious.
If I know I'm going to like 2 stores, if the honey want to come with me, or if he's going to a store, the honey want to come with me, and we go together.
Yeah. That's how it is, family.
You know what I start doing sometimes too? I start ordering my food from Walmart and then just going and picking it up. They say you spend less money that way because when you're in the store, you see things like, oh man, I want this, I want that. But when you're doing it online, you're just picking up what you actually need. That's what I'm saying.
How do I do it? Let me see if I do the same thing. I go to the store, you order it. Yo, all people can sit down and them have 30, 40 wing, man.
You think you would do good in the eating challenge?
Nope. I'm not a fast eater.
I think I asked that question before a long time ago.
I like sitting down and eat. Like,
but you do eat fast.
I do eat fast, but I can't win the eating challenge. Look at my challenge I feel. I feel all the challenge them. I don't.
What challenge you feel?
I'm not a challenge eater. I like to sit down and eat my food and chat, and I can't rush. Cause you want to taste the food. Now that ain't for me. I just like to sit down like I'm doing right now, just run my mouth and eat. You know? Challenge ain't for us. It was a lot of wings. I made about 24 wings. 24
wings? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 left.
24 wings. And everything out there done.
I brought everything in here.
Made 24 ring, family.
Now, we didn't have 24 here because, of course, we have kids. And they ate their food. So how many wings? Because, you know, Timmy agreed.
6.
Timmy had 6 wings?
3.
Oh, 3.
And say I can eat no more wings.
I'm full now.
I definitely can't, but it was really good. I ain't gonna lie.
I'll eat one more.
You can eat one more? Wow, that's good. Now I gotta go sweep out in here, family. Crumbs all over the place. But again, family, if y'all know a good camera, because we really need it, let us know. Not too expensive, because we're not Hollywood, okay? Something that y'all can see us better, see the food better, because we got a lot of different stuff coming. You know what I'm saying? All right. So listen, with that being said, I got a word for y'all today. You know what I'm saying? Woody Richie in the building. All right? So listen to this one, family. First lady, listen. Family, friends, everybody that's watching, okay? Money is numbers, and numbers never end. If it takes money to be happy, your search for happiness will never end.
That is true.
You didn't I'm gonna say it again.
Mm-hmm.
Cause we on the phone now, so they can't hear us good now.
I hope they can hear us now because
I hope y'all can hear us, but
it's
listen,
gonna still go up.
it's still gonna go up. Even when we talk like this. Remember the video we did? We talk like that. We don't got no video no more.
I don't think so.
All right, I'm gonna say it again to your family. Listen, money is numbers, and numbers never end. Okay, if it takes money to be happy, your search for happiness will never end. It's like a poem I just gave him. You know what I'm saying?
That's a good one.
So if you can relate. If you can participate. So we appreciate all of y'all for rocking with us, you know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for, you know what I mean, riding with us. What am I gonna say? Damn, I'm gonna say something.
You're gonna tell a lie.
No, I'm gonna say something. Oh yeah. Over here, we eat and just chat, you know what I'm saying? And just have a conversation sometime on show, but you know what I mean, the same. So I am Richie if you're new, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady, one and only, and they are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang.
Bye.